you're probably wondering why all these people are making money on Amazon and they are also earning from the platform. They have gone through the payment process, and for that reason you're just wondering why things aren't working that way on your side. So this video is specifically answering some questions that you guys asked me from the previous videos that I've done. If you're interested in the video, make sure you stay tuned till the end. If you like the video, of course, make sure you remember to like the video. Comment down below what you think about the video. Have you ever tried any affiliate marketing networks before? Or if you are planning on starting on Amazon, let me know in the comments. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Are y'all ready for this?
Of a backstory about Amazon. Amazon is officially made by someone from United States, and that means that the program is so much well benefiting the people from that place. So have that in mind. And then there's also other places that Amazon have different kind of stores. They have online platforms. There's Amazon in the UK, United States, and stuff like that. So it's just in these developing countries. So I have not mentioned Kenya in that place. So you should know that Amazon is still trying to get and spread across all the world, and that is the goal for almost everyone in their business. You probably hear my daughter speaking in tongues on the background, so don't mind her. She's just singing ABCD 1 2 3 4. I don't know. Okay, having known that Amazon is actually not Kenyan company, we'll let you know that we are just people benefiting from the business. The first way that people benefit from the business is by having stores, Amazon stores, and we also have affiliate marketing program, and that one is the associates program. So that is why you can see different people from different countries trying to get into the associates program, because it benefits them. So long as you can get a customer that has an interest in the product that you're trying to sell or you're trying to recommend to them, then you're good to go. So that is why the affiliate program is available in all the countries that are always listed on the Amazon associates platform and stuff like that. So when it comes to application and stuff like that, I have 2 videos already up about Amazon affiliate marketing associates program and stuff like that. So if you haven't watched those 2 videos, definitely go watch them. I will link them in the card. If not, I will link them in the description box so you can get to understand where we are at right now. Okay, as you go there, remember to leave a comment that you came from this video. Now, how they pay people from native countries, that one is more understandable. That you have to be 18 years and above unless you're a beneficiary of something, but I rarely hear people saying that they're beneficiaries. But if you want to start being in the affiliate marketing program with Amazon and get paid, you can be an affiliate, but if you are not 18 years and above, you might not as well get paid. Or you can link your parents' bank account in order to get your payment. It's kind of complicated, but I'll try so much to explain that to you guys. The first way that Amazon uses to pay people is through checks. The second way is through gift cards. The third way is through direct deposit. If I say direct deposit, you guys understand that it will be transferred direct to your bank account. And how exactly are they going to do that? I'll talk about that a little bit later, but for now we are going to talk about something else, and that is taxing. If you are in Kenya, you are very aware of KRA. KRA is now very strict when it comes to taxing. It is always everywhere, in YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, TikTok, all these platforms. They need your tax information in order to send you the money that you've accumulated. So that's why I'm telling you guys that when it comes to this, you need your KRA pin, that in order to identify yourself as a person who is 18 years and above. And on top of that, you'll have to identify that you are the legal owner of that associate's account when you are taking your money. Oh God, may I explain this and may you guys understand? make sure you have the relevant tax information from your specific country. Yeah, if you're a native of America, there's no problem. You can still be an Amazon associate and still benefit from the program with relevant tax information from your own country. And the fourth thing you need is relevant or valid bank information, and that one means you must have something like an ATM card. There is something I want you to pay a little bit of attention when it comes to having that card. So the first thing, you need to go to your bank. I'd recommend an international bank because it will be so much easier to pay taxes in all those countries that you'll be getting, you'll be getting sales from. When it comes to online, you don't know who will bump into your link and click on the link and buy the product, or maybe buy products different from that. And of course, you want to get money from the sales that you make, right? So you have to, and you need to pay taxes to the relevant countries that those people are coming from, because they will be buying from Nigeria, from wherever, from US, from Canada, from UK, stuff like that. And they need those tax information in order for the cut to go equally between all those places. Okay, you can use your regular banks. I think that one is possible. I'm not really sure, but I really and highly recommend an international bank. Ask them to activate the online services. I activated mine back in 2018. Yeah, I was in second year. I really remember that day. I wanted to pay for KineMaster. It is a software for editing, so that KineMaster, there is a certain fee that you need to pay in order to get much more features and stuff like that. I could not pay through my card because it was not registered online. So the same applies to Amazon Associates. Your card needs to be activated online in order for you to get transactions that happen online. I hope that makes sense. Yeah, people who have run ads, people who have done so many things online, they know these. So you have to, and you need to go to your bank. Please visit your bank, ask them to activate your online services through your ATM card so that you can always be doing that transaction. So long as you put that into your Google, it automatically detects whenever you want to do any transactions within the online platform. When you want to do any transactions, you'll be prompted whether to get to your Visa or whether to use other payment methods like Skrill or stuff like that. So there are always different payment methods, but with me I use Visa because I use my ATM card. So that one is the way that you can be able to do your online transactions. It's been a lot to process. I didn't even know how to explain this to you guys really, and I don't know whether you guys have understood or not. Please let me know in the comments. A point to note from everything that I've said is that Amazon taxes from every country that you get sales from. Okay, one thing you need to know is that Amazon sends checks worth $1,000 and above, and then the other payment method is through direct transfer, and that direct transfer happens when you've accumulated $100 worth of money. You have to meet these thresholds in order to earn that money. They will not cancel you from the program or do whatever about your program if you don't get there, but I'd really recommend you go hard on your business, you go hard on your affiliate marketing skills and strategies and stuff like that, so that you can be able to get to their threshold and earn your first money. Nowadays there is direct transfer, and there is also gift cards. I think for gift cards is a bit lower. So Amazon is basically trying to roll out the direct transfer to different countries, so don't get mad if it is still not in your country. And for you to accumulate like $1,000 or $100, it will take some time. So you need to be on the game, you need to be on the game. Don't lose hope. This is Amazon. It is the easiest place that you could make money, and once you start making that money, it will be like it's the future. In some countries like the US and those places like Canada and stuff like that, they always get the benefit of right hand, or how do I say it, they always get more advantage because most of the population there, people have a lot of disposable income. There are so many investors. It is a developed country. When it comes to direct deposits, they get like $10 direct deposit. But when it comes to developing countries, in order to get direct deposit, you need $100. So that's the huge difference. Yeah, if you're in the States, it's very, very different from when you are in Africa or other developing countries. That's the main reason why I told you guys that do not focus on the money first, because you'll give yourself a lot of headache. Just focus on getting the work done. The money will follow. Make sure you just do the right thing every single day, and that is posting on relevant platforms, sharing your links on relevant platforms wherever they are needed all the time, and stuff like that. I share all of that in my previous videos, and I have so many videos coming up about this topic. And if you're very, very interested about that, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and don't miss out on our next episode when it comes to this, because I'm very, very sure it will explode. Don't miss out. You need to get the money. When it comes to your tax information, please, I beg you, please do not lie. There might be a very, very huge penalty. When you're getting your tax information, you cannot say you are in the United States and you're in Kenya. When in Jaluo, please don't do that. It doesn't make sense. After visiting your bank, they will activate the online services. After that, you will be able to enter your valid information, and that one is your card number. The valid through is always on the back of the card, and there is another number, I don't know, expiry date. I think it's the expiry date. So that is the information that they will be using to pay you. I'm done there. A point to note from everything I've also said right now is that you cannot be getting payment if you don't have tax information and if you haven't activated the online services. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I'll be answering you guys. But make sure you don't repeat what I've said on the video. That makes me feel like a very bad person. That makes me feel like I can't teach. Thank you so much for sticking around, my people. If you love the video, make sure you give it a like. Please, if you reach this far, make sure you give this video a like, because I'm gonna get mad if you don't. And then make sure you share this video with your friends, any friends who would like to make that extra income. You know, if you share, you care. And those people who share, they always get more. Am I wrong? That's the truth. Make sure you subscribe, because you don't want to miss on my next video, and ring that bell so you don't miss on the next upload. Okay, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.